back to my channel. I'm about to embark on a short trip to Bali with a few of my friends, and during my time there, I'll be balancing work and leisure. And that's just one of the wonderful advantages of working remotely. You can be productive from pretty much any location. Today, I want to share with you the contents of my travel backpack. So I've chosen to bring this stylish maroon Thule backpack. It's honestly, I love it. It's great quality, it's top notch, and when you put it on your shoulders, it's really comfortable and there's no strain. It's a really good backpack. Now let's take a look at what I've packed for this trip. Let's start with the work stuff. Okay, so firstly, really important is my 13-inch MacBook Pro. Usually I use a 21.5-inch iMac for work, but for travels, this little machine here is remarkably powerful and the speed is impressive. Earphones, so just in case I need to hop on a call or if I want to listen to music, then these are really handy. And if I was gonna go on a longer trip, then I would take my headphones with me, but since this is a short trip, the earphones will do. This laptop stand, so this one is really cool because you can adjust it to different levels, and it's really important that you try to maintain eye level with your screen. It's important to have good posture if you're going to be sitting down for long periods of time, so this is handy as well. Glasses, so I don't have bad eyesight, but I do have some astigmatism, and you know, if you're going to be staring at the screen for a long time, then these glasses are good for blocking the bad rays. My MacBook charger, of course, to keep me powered. A 2-pin plug because Indonesia uses 2-pin plugs like most of the European countries. And a cable bag to keep all my cables organized because I don't like it when stuff gets lost in my backpack. So that's all of my work gear. Now let's take a look at my essentials. Passport, of course, because no international travel can happen without this. An Indonesian SIM card. I'm really lucky that stores in Malaysia sell this so that as soon as I reach, I can just put it in and it can just start working. I don't have to go looking for one. And this one is a recent addition to my gadgets. It's a Insta360 cam. I haven't used it yet, I just bought it and I can't wait to play around with it in Bali. And it comes also with this invisible stick, which is really cool. Like, I've seen people use it and I can't wait to play with it. My wallet, of course. So inside my wallet, there are two things that are really important. So firstly, it's the Wise card. This green card is super essential for your travels. So Wise allows you to hold money in up to more than 40 different currencies. They don't charge exorbitant fees and their exchange rates are really fair. Overall, it's just a cheaper way to use your money in different countries. Secondly is my motorbike license. It's a Malaysian motorbike license for under 250cc, and this is valid throughout Southeast Asia. If you've ever been to Canggu, you know what kind of madness it is. The traffic is horrendous, so I'll be renting a scooter so I can get around and not be stuck in the jam. And of course, sunnies. I have this amazing pair here. They're Rockets, a Singaporean brand, and yeah, you need these in Bali because the sun is no joke. So far I've shown you my work stuff and the essentials, and now I just have some little personal items that I'd like to show you. So wet wipes, just in case. This comfortable hoodie because the plane and airports get cold. Retainers, so usually my retainers would go in my checked luggage, but I learned a really big lesson a couple of months ago when I went to Europe. I flew with the Portuguese airline TAP Air, and their ground crew decided to go on strike. They refused to unload my luggage. I didn't get my bags until like a week later. My teeth shifted, but thankfully they could still fit, but it was painful. So I always bring my retainers with me in my backpack. A simple pen just in case you need to write something, and hand sanitizer. I don't really use this anymore, but I guess it's a habit after the pandemic. lip balm and Vicks just in case I have some nausea. So there you have it, guys. This is what I'm bringing with me to Bali. And if you guys have any cool travel must-haves to share, please drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.